Welcome to the Best Picks. The best Oakley Gloves is probably one of the most sought-after choices for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who demand peak performance and reliable protection from the elements. This video will dive deep into the world of Oakley Gloves, examining their key features, benefits, and what you should consider before making a purchase to help you find the perfect pair for your needs and budget. Number 5. Oakley C Lightweight 2.0 Glove. Experience superior comfort and performance with this glove. It's designed for athletes who demand the best. This glove is incredibly lightweight, allowing for maximum dexterity and freedom of movement. You'll barely feel it's there. The advanced materials provide exceptional grip, ensuring you maintain control in any condition. It's perfect for any activity. Stay cool and comfortable even during intense activity. Its breathable design keeps your hands dry and comfortable. Built to last, it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. It's an investment in long-term performance. Upgrade your performance with the Oakley C Lightweight 2.0 Glove. Feel the difference today. What we like. It's incredibly lightweight and breathable, perfect for warm weather activities. The durable materials ensure it'll last. If you value comfort and performance in a glove, this is the one for you. What people say. Quality is the only word for these gloves. Thin enough to feel dexterity during a search but durable enough to still have a little protection from gloves. These are the best gloves in this type of glove. I have had the black ones over several years and now these in tan. Much better than the factory light 2.0 ones which are flimsy and don't cover the wrist properly. Number 4. Oakley C Lightweight 2.0 Glove. Experience superior comfort and performance with this glove. It's designed for athletes who demand the best. It's incredibly lightweight, you'll barely feel it on your hands. This allows for maximum dexterity and freedom of movement. The advanced materials provide exceptional grip, ensuring you maintain control in any situation. Experience enhanced performance. These gloves are breathable and comfortable, keeping your hands cool and dry. They're perfect for extended use. They are built to last, with durable materials that can withstand even the toughest conditions. It's an investment in your performance. Upgrade your performance with this glove. Experience the difference today. What we like. It's incredibly lightweight and breathable, perfect for warm weather activities. The durable materials ensure it'll last. If you value comfort and performance in a glove, this is the one for you. What people say. Quality is the only word for these gloves. Thin enough to feel dexterity during a search but durable enough to still have a little protection from gloves. These are the best gloves in this type of glove. I have had the black ones over several years and now these in tan. Much better than the factory light 2.0 ones which are flimsy and don't cover the wrist properly. Number 3. Oakley Men's Protection Gloves. These gloves offer superior protection without sacrificing dexterity. The compression-molded design ensures a secure fit and enhanced performance. It features a compression-molded index panel, providing excellent protection and maintaining your ability to use your touchscreen devices with ease. The palm is infused with touchscreen-compatible material, so you can stay connected without removing them. They're made with ventilated AX suede, offering superior abrasion resistance and breathability for all-day comfort. Experience the perfect blend of protection, dexterity, and comfort. These gloves are ideal for various activities. Oakley delivers superior protection and performance. Get yours today. What we like. This glove provides superior protection with its compression-molded index panel, without sacrificing dexterity. The touchscreen compatibility is a huge plus. If you need protection and precision, this glove is ideal for you. What people say. Good gloves for the money and very durable. These are not true to size, and run small. Get a size larger than you think you'll need. Number 2. Oakley Factory Pilot 2.0 Gloves. These gloves are designed for superior comfort and performance. They're perfect for any activity requiring a secure grip and protection. Experience the difference of unobtainium surfacing on the palms and fingers. It provides an unparalleled grip, even when wet or sweaty. These gloves allow you to use your touchscreen devices without removing them. Stay connected without sacrificing protection. The protective knuckle guard adds an extra layer of safety and security. It helps to shield your hands from impact. Made with high-quality goatskin leather for durability and comfort. They're built to last and provide exceptional performance. These gloves meet the Trade Agreements Act standards, ensuring compliance for government and commercial use. What we like. It offers an unparalleled grip thanks to the unobtainium palm. The touchscreen compatibility and knuckle guard add extra convenience and safety. If you prioritize a secure grip and all-around protection, this is your best choice. What people say. Soft leather, knuckle is ridiculously strong and your knuckles don't feel anything on impact. I've been using these gloves on deployment and my motorcycle. Definitely recommend. Very comfortable and don't get too hot. Breathable compared to the some of the other ones I've had. Halten lang, ist mijn zweets paar ich had out kein neuen gebracht when ich das erste paar nicht nach 3 Jahren verloren hat, das neue paar hat gegenüber dem alten paar den Vorteil das man mit dem Mittelfinger den Handy-Display bedienen kann. Number 1. Oakley Flexion 2.0 Gloves. These gloves are designed for superior protection and comfort. They're perfect for any activity where you need a secure grip and impact resistance. These gloves meet the Trade Agreements Act requirements, making them a great choice for government and commercial use. The molded TPR protects your hands from impacts and abrasions, while remaining flexible for ease of movement. Experience maximum comfort with the padded palm, designed for impact absorption and breathability. It keeps your hands cool and dry. The hook and loop wrist closure provides a secure and customizable fit. It ensures they stay in place during any activity. These gloves feature touchscreen compatible material on the palm, allowing you to use your devices without removing them. What we like. This glove provides excellent impact and abrasion protection with its flexible molded TPR. The padded, ventilated palm ensures breathability, and the adjustable closure provides a perfect fit. If you need a balance of protection, comfort, and adjustability, this is the glove for you. What people say. Gloves are excellent. Perfect light-duty glove. Holds up to the quality I've come to expect from Oakley. Diseño y materials de buena calidad. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.